Listeners, I'm Madhura Nejur, Assistant Vice President, Research and Outreach at ICRA Limited. And through this podcast, we are diving into a major development in international trade that could reshape India's export landscape and impact its economic trajectory. On July 31st, 2025, the United States government announced a 25% tariff on goods imported from India, which is effective August 7th. This move is a part of a border trade recalibration and includes an additional penalty tariff linked to India's defense and crude oil ties with Russia. Interestingly, the base tariff is only slightly lower than the 26% reciprocal tariff announced earlier in April. What's concerning is that India's tariff rate is higher than those imposed on other Asian countries, like Vietnam at 20%, Indonesia at 19%, and Japan at 15%. This disparity could weaken India's position as a preferred sourcing destination to US companies. Let us now look at how different sectors are expected to fare. For chemicals, Indian exporters may lose some edge due to reduced tariff gaps with China and lower European Union tariffs. For textile, countries like Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Indonesia are better placed, and the higher tariffs could dampen US demand for Indian textiles. For tires and diamonds, the sheen may wear off for Indian exporters as competitive advantages shrink. For pharmaceuticals and petroleum products, these sectors remain largely unaffected thanks to the exemptions from the earlier tariff. For telecom instruments, despite slightly lower tariffs for competitors, the impact here is expected to be minimal. For metals and auto components, though exempt from the reciprocal tariff, they fall under Section 232, which imposes higher duties. A global slowdown could further hurt Indian exporters. ICRA has revised India's FY 2026 GDP growth forecast downward by 20 basis points to 6% given these tariffs. The extent of the impact will depend on how the situation evolves, especially regarding the potential penalties. The report also highlights how countries like China, United Kingdom, European Union, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Japan, with which the US has entered a trade agreement, how they are navigating this shifting landscape. As India faces these headwinds, the coming months will be crucial in determining how resilient its export sectors are and how policymakers respond. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for our upcoming podcast.